60 by 86 cm rounds, special treatment version 3, now adds rainbow crystals that we have sprinkled on her purple dress, focusing on the darker purple shade of the dress. So place majority of them in these areas, the darker purple area right over here, and then just sprinkle a little bit leading up to the lighter areas of her purple dress, and this will give you this nice effect. Once again, version 3 of Gamer Girl by Medusa the Doll Maker. We have magenta crystals for her hair, as well as moonlight crystals that we have placed on the light brown flowers, as well as the stars behind her and sprinkled on the gamer banner. And finally, we have rainbow crystals sprinkled on her purple dress. There you have it.